Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm unboxing the glorious Model O minus. So this is the smaller and lighter version of the Model O. Anyway, I got the box right here. I've also got a cam down here so you can see when I'm unboxing. The box seems really good, especially for a mouse that's only £50. It's got like a reflective kind of thing on it, on the text, and also the vector of the mouse. It also says extremely lightweight, ascended cord, G-Skate's mouse feet. On the bottom there's all like the facts about the mouse, like the size, like whether it's RGB and all of that sort of stuff. It's also got a paragraph here, something about gamers, it will elevate you until unimaginable heights, built for speed, control and comfort. So I don't really care about that at the moment. It also says it's got two years warranty. It's very nice. But anyway, I just want to get straight into this. One thing I want to mention is on the bottom it's got like those sticker bits that keeps it all together. I've already cut that, but from unboxings that I've seen already, you can pull it down and it should just slide out. Let's see. Maybe? Come on. Hey, it might be a little bit stiff. Right, I think I've almost got this. There we go. Oh my god. That is very nice. Is that okay? It says ascended. Very nice, very nice. And this is definitely a good size mouse for my hand. I've got tiny hands and I've got the Logitech G502 at the moment, and that's quite a big and heavy mouse. So that's why I've decided to get the Model O minus, as this will be a lot lighter and also the feet are a lot better. Because on this mouse, I've got 2 mouse feet left and all the others have fallen off. So a lot of people have been saying this is really small. I don't think it's that small, although I'm a very small person and I've got very small hands. So I don't know. I think we're gonna turn it upside down and see what happens. Okay, there seems to be loads of leaflets. So let's pull all of this out. We'll keep the cable there for now. Okay, we'll move. Okay, so there seems to be, what's this? Is this a sticker? I don't really know what this is. Glorious PC Gaming Race. Put that over there. Oh wait, does that fall out? Yeah, there's also someone else in here. I don't know, maybe a leaflet or something. Yeah, it's very nice, very nice. Let's see what's in here. Nothing? What? Welcome to the Glorious Legion. And also, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, some more stuff like some of their other products. And yeah, I don't really know what's going on here. I believe this is the sticker. It's actually quite nice, I like that. And finally, some other promotion maybe? Seems like it. Yeah, I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with this, but thank you very much. Right, so I've got to be careful with this cable because I know the way there's a little snag in it here, but hopefully that will not create an issue because I know with some other people's mouse it has. What? No. This is on my... This moves. Oh my god. No way it moves this easily. Alright, alright, I'm gonna take this out of the bungee. Right, I've got to put so much effort into that. And this is on a bad mouse pad at the moment. I've got this red one over here. I'm gonna quickly move over here, alright? That's funny. No way. That is... And that's with like the heavy bit of cable as well. There's no way. I'm gonna have to lower my sense by so much. You don't even understand. There's no way. Obviously I did go for the white one. I'm just gonna quickly scroll. Seems nice, and you can hear the difference. Like this is silent on the G502. It's quite loud. Also G502 has infinite scroll wheel. I don't need that anymore. Well, I never used it anyway. There's the DPI clicker button. Pretty easy to press. Right, I just realised the audio cut out, so I'm just going to quickly do a quick test. There's a DPI button, scroll wheel, very silent, and finally the side buttons. Very nice. I honestly, the feet on this seem so nice, especially compared to the G502. And I'm putting no effort into this. There's no way. You honestly don't even understand how crazy this is. You definitely need to try this out. Whether you've got a bigger hand, get the Model O, and if you've got a smaller hand like me, or you just want to do like claw grip or something, definitely get the minus. Like, this is moving so easy. The cable, that's definitely better than my old one, because on the G502 I had to peel the braid bit off because it just started snagging and all of that. This definitely seems better. Yeah, that seems fine. Right, just to let you know guys, I'm doing a £20 Amazon gift card giveaway. The link will be in the description. So that is it for the video guys. I'm about to live stream and I'm going to put all the highlights in from using this mouse. Because I'm going to have to get used to some new binds. Like, I'm going to have to change my pyramid bind. So it's going to be difficult to get used to, but I definitely think this is going to be an improvement. This is crazy.
Yeah, ever since I was broke, now a young nigga flexed up. In a foreign switching lanes, you can't catch up. You a 10, but you switch up cause I'm next up. I got link, it's on 40 in my red car. Bitches change, you act like I ain't all this. Getting money, nigga, that my focus. Hey, you act like all this. Part of payment, my niggas. All tweaking. Me and KK, why we always geeking, leaking. Yeah, my folks, Leo body leaking. I be roll running every season. And I just gonna build my nigga freezing. Hey, BJD, nigga,